Welcome to Sad Educare. Quiz 1 of grade 2 and 3 mathematics. First question, what is 8 plus 6? It's a very simple thing. 8 plus 6 is a what? 14. Next, what is 15 minus 7? Look, 15 and minus 7. Here 5 is a ones and 1 is a tens, but here 5 is less than 7, so it's not possible subtract 5 to 7, so we need a regrouping. It means this 1 we can transfer to here, so it will become 15 and this one become 0. So 15 minus 7 is a 8 and here is 0, so no tens, so it means 15 minus 7 it will be 8. Next question, if you have 4 tens and 2 ones, what number is that? Look, 4 tens, it means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Here is 4 tens. 4 tens. It means 40. 2 ones. It means what? 1 plus 1. So it's 2. So once we make addition, it will be 42. So our answer what? 42. Next, what number is 10 more than 31? What number is 10 more than 31? It means 31 we will add 10, so 41. 41 is more than 10 31, right? So 41 41 minus 31 it will be 10. So what number? So this is a 41 is 10 more than 31. Double 7, it means 2 times 7, or we can say 7 plus 7, it means 14, right? Next question, how many tens are in number 53? So how many tens? Look, here is tens. This is 10 and this is 1. So here is 5 and here is 3. So how many tens are in number 53? 5 tens, right? 5 tens are in the number 53. It means 10 times 5, it will be 50. So how many tens? 5 tens. Our answer is 5. What is the sum 19 plus 25? So look, this is 19 and this is 25. So 9 is a ones, 5 is a ones, so 9 plus 5 is what? 14. Look, 14. 14, 4 is ones, 1 is tens, so this 10 will be added with next tens. It means here, so 1 plus 1 plus 2, it will be 4. So 19 plus 25 is a 44. So our answer is 44. If the time is 2 now, what time is it 3 hours later? So it's 2, right? 3 hours later, it means it will be what? 5. Okay, very simple. Subtract 60 minus 28. Look, 60 and minus 28. Here 0 is ones and 8 also ones, but 0 less than 8. So we will take 1 ones from this 6. So this 0 will become 10 and this 6 become 5. So 10 minus 8, it will be 2, 5 minus 2, it will be 3. So our answer is 32, right? Next question. A book cost $18. You have $25. How much change will you get? So you have $25, right? And you expend $18. So how much you will change? It will be what? We can write like this way: 25 minus 18. Here 5 is ones, 8 also ones, but 5 is less than 8. So we will borrow 1/10 from these two. So this 5 will become 15 and these 2 become 1. So 15 minus 8, it will be 7, and 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So our answer will be $7. I hope it's a good practice for grade 2 and 3 mathematics. This is a quiz 1. Every week, at least 2 times, I will make these kinds of quiz for you. So please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare. I wish you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.